Now,
Thanks, Mr.
uh,
Anand.
huh?
Hello.
You can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes. Till now, we have finished the training for about four departments, four different departments:
Yes.
sales, warehouse, and the procurement, QA, QC, and the production. Four different departments. Believe me that from these four departments, if you ask them now, uh, could you access the system? Just this question. Could you access the system? He don't know how to access the system. Maybe only as a dean. Language barrier.
Thank you for this compliment.
لا عاد
Compliment.
بحكي لها
Compliment.
بحكي لها انا على الصعوبات اللي عم بتواجه الشباب هلا فاكسكيوز مي شروطي language barrier is a big barrier here in this project. uh, people here are not used to use English in their business.
Mm.
So in maybe after the sandbox station, I'm going to have another sessions by me directly here to at least they can see the basics of the system. During this, the system should be ready for them to practice.
Okay.
And Shuruti, excuse me. Now you are giving the training using the database that you are preparing for us, but we are logging into another database. If I tried to do the same that what you are doing as a trainer, I cannot find the data. So how can I practice?
Can you share your screen so I can check that where are you logging and which thing you're not able to find?
No, I know where I'm logging to. Yeah, I have asked the trainer that day. He's using. I will share my screen anyway. I will share my screen. Uh, as this is my screen. Yes, this one. Can you see my screen now?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So here I know where to switch from one company to another company because this is a multi-company system. I know that. We are using modern style pack during the
Yes.
training. I use this one. I use this one. But even here, uh, the data is not the same like yours because the trainers was using a different company that doesn't appear here in my list. It was abbreviated MSP as abbreviation. Uh, While
Yes.
I used
Only the production.
modern style back. So,
Only the
excuse me. This
production.
is this is this is not a complaint. This is not a complaint. This is a feedback. It is normal and usual in every project. Things will not go smoothly. That is why there is a project manager from your side, a project manager from our side, to make the obstacles easier for both of us, me and you. So you can feel the training is easier for you and for me. Yani,
You can
yani we
create.
are talking about the fundamentals here. This is the fundamentals in the training. So that is my idea. I wish that I can hear from you. Maybe we can have a parallel meeting. I will leave the QA and the QC and as a dean engaged in this meeting. Uh, and I will go to another meeting with you to discuss these issues because I don't want to uh, have training sessions go day by day without going into these issues that I talked to you about. Yes, you will come now. You can.
Okay. You can create data in this environment also, and if you want, we can give you the access of MSP environment also. Both are the test or the sandbox environment. Only the production data we have prepared in that MSP company. We will provide you the access of that company also, MSP.
we have to concentrate on this. يعني Shiruti, for all the trainers, they should know how to access the system, what link that they are going to use to access the system, or what kind of application. Uh, all what they know, that is a new system for work. Dynamics from Microsoft, from Oracle, from SAP. This is they don't have any idea about that. They know just it is a business application. So we have to give them the URL, password, username. Make sure that they are able to log in without problems. Then uh, we can start the training step by step with them. I thank you really, Yani. A lot of my colleagues here were happy with the training, like as a dean, like the warehouse, Muhammad, even in sales, Ahmed, you can measure their reaction and their other from their activity during the training. Tomorrow, I will be very interested in tomorrow's session for the finance department, because finance department is the most important department here, according to me.
So, actually, Mr. Anand, tomorrow we didn't schedule the accounts. We planned for tomorrow is dispatch module because dispatch module is not added in the sandbox training. So we will give you the revised sandbox schedule, which include the dispatch module session. So, and there is some leftover topics like depalletization,
اسمع
group process. Some
Mm.
of the process is left over. So we will give you the revised sandbox schedule. And tomorrow we plan for the dispatch schedule, dispatch department sandbox.
Yeah. For tomorrow session with the finance, maybe I will be late or not able to attend it from the beginning because I have another meeting with Mr. Sukrit and
Yeah,
Mr.
I'm
Muhammad
also there
Hassan.
in that meeting. Yeah,
Yes,
I
you
will
will.
be also there
Yes,
in
you will
that
be there.
meeting.
So there will be a conflict and discrepancy in
Yeah,
time
but from my
time
side,
schedule.
Mr. Risha will be able for to do the training session. My side.
Mm.
So if you able to manage the users to sit at the same time, so from my side, Mr. Rishabh will be able to give them the training related to dispatch.
We will arrange the timing tomorrow for both sessions, the meeting
Okay.
and the finance. Maybe the finance, I will let them start 15 minutes before our meeting, so I can make sure that everyone is okay and he has attended the session, and I will start my own meeting.
انا شو المشكله؟ مش قادر افهم في مشكله.
لا، ما في مشكلة.
احنا ليش مش بادين؟
وين ريما؟
انت مش في ريما يا مهند، خليها تدخل على الميتنج.
ما انت
اضغط
قلت
عليها.
بس تيجي ريما، بدك نبلش بدون ما تيجي بنبلش.
ما اقدرش ابلش بدون ما
بعدين
تيجي ريما.
طيب، هي انت بتسالني قاعد، هي انت بتجاوب
اما
لحالك، ما لك.
لا، طب ليش انت رفضت الديسباتش، موضوع الديسباتش يعني؟
مين قال رفضته؟
هيك.
احنا بنحكي عن شيء ثاني، لا بنحكي عن شيء ثاني. قال رفضته. بكره عندنا اجتماع ثاني قاعدين نتناقش فيه، فهي بتقول لي بكره بدي ابعث لك فيديوهات الديسباتش وفيديوهات المستودعات، قلت لها ابعتيها. مين قال اني رفضت؟ So Shiruti,
Yes, Mr. Anand.
uh, she's late, Rima. She's late,
Okay.
Rima, and yes, I will report that in my today's meeting. I'm so sorry for that. Meanwhile, as I told you, we can arrange everything tomorrow, inshallah ta'ala, so we can have both meetings will be successful. So, what about you? How do you feel about the training here? And from your experience, maybe you have you can measure uh, the degree how the trainees uh, feel about the training material and the training overall.
Um, I think they need to practice in the system. Once they will know how to log in, once they know how to create a transaction, how to do like create sales order, blanket sales order, dispatch schedule, and purchase order, then they will get confidence. So I think we need to push the users or the trainee to start at least know how to log in the system. Maybe if you know Mr. Edges know, they can help the users also to log in, or we are also here anytime. You can ping us, you can tell us to connect, and we will connect any department and tell them that this is the way. We have also provided the manual and we are always available there. But the main thing is that users should is their only responsibility to start active and do at least do some purchase order creation, some sales order creation, one or two data every day, so they get confidence in the system and yeah, in the solution.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Sure, sure. Let me call her direct on her phone. Just a minute, please.
Hello, Miss Rima. Good afternoon.
عايز
Good
قديش بدنا
afternoon.
وقت ثاني؟
والله تعبان خذ مغادرة وروح. ترك الخط.
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sorry for interruption. Sorry for late. Now we are ready. Please go ahead. Me and Dream.
Okay. 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 So first, please scan on this QR for attendance. Then we will start the session. Yeah.
شباب الحضور والغياب QR كود يلا.
Okay, done. Thank you.
Okay. So today we will cover this topic like vendor rating, QC plate and die, in process quality and production COA. So first I will show you how to log in into the system. So we have this link. Using this link, we will go in browser and paste the same link here. I have already logged in. That's why it is showing that sign in. Let me go in private mode and then I'll show you. So this will be the link. Now it will ask you, then we will click on, just a second, we will click on sign in. Then it will ask you the user ID and password. So for me, the user ID is this one and password is this one. So I will use this as my sign in ID and then it will ask for password and I will give password here, and then I will sign in the system. Then it will ask you stay sign in. Do you want to this it if you will click on yes, it the credential will be saved. Click on yes. Like this, we can log in into the system, and after login into the system, we need to change the company. Like if we want to work in modern style pack, we will select this. If you want to uh, log in into MSP only setup, and if you want to log in into COA confirmation, it will be depending on the company. Now I'm selecting this company. Is this okay? How to log in into the system?
Sorry, yes, login is okay.
Yeah, okay. Take it. Okay, so now we will start with the topics. These are the topic. First, I will show you the in-process quality. So for in-process quality, the same. Okay, so the yesterday topic is all clear, or you people are having some doubt on that topic? Okay, so I'm starting with today's topic, that is in-process quality. So for in-process quality, we have this action here in the role center. And the role center, as you can see here, the role center I have selected is the quality role center. And for this in-process quality, we will go here. Same, we need to create the same parameter here, just like yesterday I have explained. If I need to create some parameters, so we will come here and create a new parameter, and we can add whatever you want, like paper bursting, and it will be quantitative or qualitative. So we will take on that boolean. On the basis of that, those parameters will be created, and same we will create for this also the spec that I have told yesterday, like creating a spec is also same. We will go on new, and we can create, we will take source type, item category code, and then source code. And like after filling all the details, I will certify this. So this will be the step will be same for creating a parameter and for creating specs. Now for in-process quality, we will use this after the production order, uh, after the output posting is done, we can see the list of RPO here. And for this RPO, we need to do the quality. Like I am selecting the RPO 3. Now it will ask, here you can see the field of operation number is there. So for this operation 10, I need to do the quality, that is corrugation. So I will click on OK, and then this page will open, that is in process quality page. So here we can see the fields like we have the inspection number, means the this inspection is the eighth inspection that I am creating. If I will again create one new inspection, the number will be 9. Like this, the number series will increase for inspection number. Schedule document number is coming from the schedule that we have created on production, and now the production order number is this RPO 26003 and operation number is 10. Item number is WIP, that is board item, and item description is this. The quality status still pending, and specification 9 has been created for this. Now I will go on specification 9, and we can go on some particular document like spec ID is here. If I want to go on specification ID and I want to check that which parameter is defined in spec 9, then I will click here. When I will click here, this will open, and when I'll click on specification, then it will take me to the specification sheet that we have created for this. So we have taken board bursting, board type, board GSM, and ECT as a parameter for this spec for WIP board 001. And for this, if the parameter is defined in machines, like for this operation 10, machine is 001. So we will go on machine 1. Let me go on machine center. Machine center. I will go on machine center and then we'll search for machine 1, and then we can just okay. So we will search for that machine here, and we will go on machine card, and we can see that machine quality parameter here. So we will define the quality parameters what we want. Like for machine 1, we will have paper busting, paper dimension, paper ECT, paper FCT, paper GSM, board long creasing, board type. This as a parameter we have defined here, and this is coming from the parameter that we have already created on quality parameters. Now, after creating this, we will go again on in-process quality. We will select our production order 3 and the operation number 10. Now, again, this page will open. I have explained till here. We have also seen that for expect 009, the parameters that is defined on this spec, and now for this will be our line part. So we will get this line part from this spec 0009. So the parameters that we have defined on specification sheet. So for this, we will go here on this action, get inspection line. And when we will click here, then we will see that the same parameter, that is board bursting, board type, board GSM, board ECT, that is defined in spec 9 we can see the same parameters here. And the quantity available for quality, that is 782, is also updated on get inspection line action. And the quantity available for quantity field, that is 782. This we will get from production order. So we will mark that quantity marked for quality. We will manually fill this. I want to do the quantity for full quantity. So I will put here 782 and good quantity. My good quantity is 700. So I'm taking the good quantity as 700, and my scrap, and that I will not use, the scrap quantity is 82. So I'm putting the scrap quantity as 82. Rework quantity means ki, this will go again on quality. So I'm putting some value like of 40 here. So the sum of good quantity, scrap quantity, rework quantity, and non-confirmed quantity should be equal to the quantity available for quality, that is 782. If this quantity is more than 782, then it will not allow us to post this in process quality. So again, after doing this, the on inspection line, we will see that the all parameter has came from the specification sheet. So we will fill the observation here. Like for board bursting, we have defined the minimum value as 2 and maximum value as 5.5. I'm taking some observation here. Again for so we can see that the quality status is accepted, that is updating here. Now for board type, I will give the as this is a qualitative parameter, the board type is qualitative parameter, so we can see here we will uh, judge this by the appearance of the product. So giving the value okay here. Now again, the board GSM parameter is quantitative parameter, so we can see the parameters here like minimum, maximum value under deviation and minimum value under deviation here.
Sorry
We will
for
fill the-
interruption.
Yes.
May I have a question, please? Can you go
Okay.
scroll up, please?
Yes.
For the scrap quantity, a quantity available for quality, it's coming from the production, right?
Yes.
Good quantity 700,
Yes.
scrap 82.
Yes.
From where it come now? The total are 782. How can you
Yes.
post rework quantity 40?
Yes, this is why I have kept this here. So while posting, I told you that if the total quantity of good scrap and rework and non-confirmed both are more than 782, then you will get error. So for showing you that error, I have taken 40 here.
بس اذا انا التعريج حكى انه انا من 982 وانت حكيت الجود كنت 700. سوري I'm talking in Arabic. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Okay. So
No,
so can we?
keep.
Yeah. Okay. So for board GSM, we will fill the observation here like 417, 418, 415. I'm taking this as 400. This is coming under. So this is accepted under deviation. So again, I will put the parameter for board ECT, that is 1, 1, 1, and 1. And after filling these details, I will go here and will mark on update QA status. So the line will be marked, if the line is rejected, then it will be marked as red. If it is accepted, then it will be marked as green. And if it is under deviation, then it will be marked as blue. We can see this we have defined here for rejected, for accepted under deviation, for accepted under deviation for minimum value, and for accepted value, the parameters. So after filling this detail, I will go and update QA status, and you can see that all three parameters has been accepted, and the board GSM has been accepted, but it is accepted under deviation. Till here, is this clear?
عز السؤال إلكم هون. الو.
Yes.
Because of
Excuse me,
the
I'm calling
reward
from
quantity,
Canada.
you asked 40. Please scroll up. We have the quantity to be checked. It was 782. The mark
Yes.
for good quantity 700. What do you mean by rework quantity? What's the difference between rework and scrap? Because the total not 782.
Rework quantity means that
Hello?
yes, a rework quantity means
يا شباب خلي المايك سايلنت، خليها تعرف تقرا. حط مايكك سايلنت من عندك. ريما مايكك سايلنت. Yes, go ahead, Heroes. Go ahead.
okay. So rework quantity means that if I'm taking any quantity here, then it will for this quantity the quality will be done again. And for
Okay, but for the total, how is it possible? For the total, it will not be the same for the production quantity. 40 plus 82 plus 700.
I
You mean
have
this 40, it is included in the 700?
So I have taken this quantity just to show you that if you are taking the quantity more than 782, then it will not allow to post. But if you want, I will change you to give example, like I'm taking 42 here, and then I'm taking 40 here. Then the total will be 782. Then it will allow you to post. It will not ask you to that, it will not give you that error. So this was just for the example.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Okay, okay. So after filling all the details, I'm maximizing the quantity here so that we will get error on the post, so that I can show you. I have taken 60, so the quantity is more than 80. Now, after filling all the details and after doing all the observation, we will go here and post inspection sheet. When we will post here, it will ask you that actual FG weight gram must have a value inspection header. Whatever you will be your FG weight, we will put this here. Like for this, I'm taking some random 0. 5 I'm taking just for the example, and now I will post this. So here you can see that it is giving you error that sum of good quantity, scrap quantity, and rework quantity and non-confirmed quantity must be equal to quantity marked for quality. So I have taken the total of this is more than 782. That's why it is giving error. So I'm removing here and I'm taking the scrap as 82 and the good quantity as 700 and then the total is 782. So it will allow me to post. Now I will post the quality. We have taken a scrap quantity here. So we need to put scrap code here. Like what will be our scrap code? So I'm taking job change waste. If you want, you can also create some new scrap code here, whatever is your requirement, like C004, whatever will be description, scrap test, like this. And then you can see that it will be visible here. After filling all the details, we will post inspection sheet. And it will, here you can see that this data has been posted. Now we will go on posted document and this was for board. So we will go on corrugation in process quality in posted document and we will see that this RPO. Just a second, I'm filtering here. The RPO 3 I have posted. So we can see here on posted document. And from here, we can also see the report, schedule wise job card report that is attached here. And we can see that here that our FG number is FG004, FG description is this, posted output is for this the scrap quantity is 82 and linear length meter, number of ups, PDI number, board length, board width. This is all coming from PDI. Now we can see the job card report from here. This is our job card report and all details you can see here. Is this clear?
No, it's not actually. Please, can you repeat again? Thank you.
Which part? Again, the whole process?
The last part, the last part.
Okay. So after posting the document, we can see.
After what? After what? Posting the values.
We will go on posted document.
Yes.
Yes. And we will see the corrugation process quantity here. And we can see the posted document from here for corrugation in process quality. And if it's for other process, then we can see from here, from converting in process quality. And from here, if I will go here, if we want to see the job card report, so the report is attached here. Like for RPO 26001, line number is this, schedule number is this, and we can see the job card report. The report that is attached there on posted document. And
Please, there is a date for this report.
okay,
Where is the date?
yeah, okay, I'm going again.
Can you scroll slowly, please? Job card date is there a difference between job card date and the report date?
Sorry, which field?
Hello?
Okay, the schedule date is the date in which we are doing the scheduling and the
This,
job.
this is
This
from
is
production.
yeah, this is from production.
Acha, okay. The date of making the test and everything inspection, where it should be.
That will show when we do the COA.
COA.
Yes.
Uh-huh. It should be COA.
No, this is not COA. This is the observation report. This is observation report, and there is another report for COA. So here you can put who has approved the username. You can put it the approval username. So let me just check our Samvidhan user for now. This is assurance report, quality assurance report, and another where you can. This is a brief one, and another for the observation. When you did the observation, you can check from here, like what observation you have put it for this specific RPO and for this operation.
But Hira, only my concern about how can I search for each order? What's the job, يعني the batch number? How can I make a search for this one? يعني where should I go and make a search for, let's say, job order number 0010?
Yes.
This is our
From
concern. We are looking, يعني you are familiar with the system. Within
yes,
within 3 seconds, you are getting this report. I don't know from where you get this report. يعني I'm not
from
familiar
here.
like you with this one. You got my idea, right?
Yes. So let me show you that we are going on posted document and on corrugation in process quality. We are going here, and for this report, for job card report, we will go here, and like you can see that there is a section of report, and from here schedule wise, job wise report is there. So from here we can see the job card report like this, and if we want to see the COA report, then we will again go on posted document. We will go on posted quality inspection. On homes section, we will go on posted quality inspection. Then this page will open. We have report section here. We have two reports here. First is quality inspection report, and the second is quality inspection report new. On quality inspection report, we can see the observation that we have given for board bursting, board type, board GSM, board ECT. These all detail. What is our inspection number? What is our customer number? What is our customer name? Like this. And
His question, please, Hira. His question was how I can search for a certain job order. I need to know what is its results.
يعني sometimes I have
for
a
the
complaint
quality,
from, please, sorry. Yes. Sometimes I got a complaint. One customer said that the ECTs wasn't good. Okay, I got the batch number from him. Where I come and put this batch number, give me the COA and all inspections, quality inspections that I made before.
If for the quality, you can go here. Also, there is a queue available in process quality queue. This queue is for corrugation QC due, and this is for converting QC due. So from
Okay,
here, when you go, there is a job orders available. I mean the production orders. So you can do quality by checking the production order wise, and also for in process quality, when you go to
Shruti,
this list, yes,
is the production number same that it you we will print it out at the label for the pallets?
yes,
Same one, right?
yes, yes.
اوكي خلاص انت بتيجي تعمل سيرش على هذا. اوكي غير هيك can we search by Shruti by name of the customer or something?
Name of the customer. No, actually,
Because you
this field is
know, Shruti, some customers, if you ask them for batch number or something, he said, I don't have. Check by yourself or something. How can I check? Right? Is it happening? Is it happening, Engineer Rima? Yes. It's happening. It's happening, Engineer Muhammad? Yes.
so
No, we
actually,
don't have.
yeah, we do quality job order wise. So RPO wise and customer filtration is not available right now here. We do like search job order wise.
Can we make it
There is a
by
customer complaint available. There is a list of customer
customer complaint
complaint.
list?
Yes. So if there is any complaint from the customer side, you can just directly put the details here of customer complaint, like from which customer code you get the complaint. Let's suppose I'm taking customer number 10, and here which salesperson is doing this, taking this complaint. So taking some another like salesperson code, phone number details, and email detail, representative name, the customer representative name, if the customer has visited physically, physical day, visit date, and complaint status. This is a logbook complaint status. And another section is detail. Here we need to provide the details of what kind of complaint is being registered by the customer, like it is a high priority complaint or like this. So here we need to put the customer response as a complaint, as a suggestion, as a feedback. Nature of complaint, we need to put like the purpose of the complaint, and here you can put the description. Then another we have if we did shipment, if we did sales order, if we created sales invoice. So if we select sales order, then if we created sales order by taking that customer, then the list of sales order will be updated here. Let's suppose I'm taking this. This is prospect. Let me just take customer Jordan.
Shruti, sorry for
Yes.
interruption. Who will fill this one? The customer service and sales department or who?
Sales department will do
Okay,
this
okay.
because they will because customer will ultimately talk to the sales department. So sales department
Acha.
and the production team will do this. I mean the integrate. This is a joint. We can say the joint responsibility of production and the sales department. So here we can see the sales order. If we selected sales order, this list will be open, so we can see that by taking the Jordan potato customer, the sales order is being created, and we can select any sales order for which the
Is this
complaint
one
is
is
being raised.
mandatory to fill the job order, the sales order?
This is
He
not
should fill it.
mandatory, but for the tracking purpose, like you are registering some complaint, so there must be some sales order or the production order is being created by taking that customer. So that this is for the tracking purpose, so that you can track that which sales order and how much quantity we have created and which time. So for particularly which sales order we are getting complaint from the particular this customer. So here we can also take the job order and there are some
اوكي
informational
شروتي
purpose field.
عنان، شرحوا هذا الاشي مع السيلز ولا لا؟ عنان، استاذ عنان،
قاعد معك.
شرحوا هذا الاشي مع السيلز ولا لا؟
هلا ما بصراحه بقدرش اكد لك اقول لك اه ولا لا، بدك انادي احمد، هسه بنادي احمد.
ولا مين تاكد لي ابو السيلز؟ انت كنت في الكول
ايه
هاي تاعت، انت اللي كنت بالسيشن تاعت السيلز، انت عارف.
ماشي، حتى لو كنت بالسيشن تاعت السيلز انا ما بقدر اتذكر كل التفاصيل. عرفت كيف؟ كل
اه
واحد معني بالديبارتمنت تبعته. بدك
عاد
تسال عن
فكرتك.
اي
اه
شيء، هسه بنادي لك احمد موجود وهو بجاوب. ما
خلص ماشي
بقدر
اوكي.
اجاوب انا، بقدرش
ثانك يو
اجاوب
ثانك يو.
انا نيابه عنهم.
ماشي ماشي اوكي اوكي.
Hello.
يس يس شروتي، جو اهيد بليز.
Okay. So another tab
ربع
is of
هلا.
item.
تمام انت صباح. والله رمضان.
Another tab is of FG item. So here you can take also the FG item and description will be updated and here you can just put that so I have dispatched 1200 quantity and among this 1200 quantity I the defect quantity pieces you can just put it like this, and if there is multiple item you can select multiple item that delivered multiple pieces and defective pieces. And again, we have complaint resolution. If the complaint caused, what is the complaint caused? The complaint description, you can put it, the complaint reason, the department code, you can select here which department has raised this complaint from the customer, and the complaint reason description, issue is being resolved or not. If it is resolved, then by whom, the resolution date, and the document resolution type. Again, you can select here. If you then here you can select, if you select the sales order, if you select the this type, based on this type, the document list will be open up here. Then we have some legal tab. If that complaint is raised like a legal case, then you can mark this boolean on and provide the date if it is related to the legal case. Uh, this is also informational field. Another, we have attachments. You can attach the damaged product or something if customer has sent you to the products damaged product. Then we have additional detail where the track for the tracking purpose this is updated. Whosoever the if Ahmad is creating this customer complaint, then the user ID and document status will be updated like this. And here this is just the investigation root cause. Like you can put like machine issue, it was man issue, material issue, what the customer complaint is for what purpose, what is the root cause of this product damage. You can mark this boolean, and if the issue is closed, then you can just put the resolution resolving date, and you can just click on issue closed, and the customer complaint will be like done. And if it is not closed, then you can just mark it as a confirm. So this is where you can do customer complaint.
Do I have analysis or how many complaints I have this month or this year in this system?
Yes.
Like a chart or report, yes.
यहाँ पे स्टेटस ओपन होगा तो नोट्स ऑन we can see from here that the document status is open. That means this issue has been not resolved. And if let me create one more document for customer complaint. I'm taking some customer and I'm taking the, it will ask you that issue resolution date should have a value. Then I'm giving a delete. Mhm. It will ask you that do you want to close this issue? Now again I'm going to the list part and we can see that the complaint one is open and it is not resolved. Still it is not resolved, but complaint two has been resolved and it has been closed. So from document status we can see that this complaint has been resolved or not. If this is open, that means it is not resolved, and if this is closed, that means it has been resolved. Is this okay?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, so we will move to another topic, that is, okay, so in process QC is okay for you, that you have understood the all
Yes,
process?
yes.
Yeah.
Until now,
Oh,
yes.
okay, okay. So I'm moving to our next topic, that is production COA, uh, certificate of analysis. Let me show you. For this, we have a action button, that is production order for COA. We can see here, and we will go here. Then we can see that there are list of production order that is available for COA. So from if I want to see the report of COA, first I'll need to do the inspection. If I need to from here this action, we can see the particular RPO. Like this is RPO 007. So when we will click on open RPO action, then the list of the RPO for RPO 007, the card page of these RPO will open. And if I want to do the quality inspection for this RPO, I will go here on quality inspection uh, action. So from here, we can see that the schedule document number is this, same like the one that we have seen on in process, and my number for COA is QI0045. My production number is RPO 7, item number is 12, item description is this, quality status is still pending. We have created spec 31 for this FG0012 item. When we will click here, then the again the spec visual we have taken for this will open, and the status is release and all the details. If there is defect, the defect is critical or major defect or minor defect, how much it can be accepted, how much it will be rejected. It is just for information purpose. We will fill here. And now for getting the spec line, we will go here again on get inspection line, and we can see that for this we have taken uh, spec as flute. So the flute is visible here. If we want to add more spec to this COA quality, we can add by going here on specification 31. From for now I'm just taking this value, and as this flute value is qualitative value, I will give the parameter as okay. And after giving the parameter, it will, the quality status will be accepted, just like we have seen the process on in process quality. The same process will be for here also. And now after putting the details, I will do that. I want to update my QA status. So when I will update, the color will change to green, and fetch in process observation action button is here. For example, for this for this RPO, if I have done any in process quality, so we will and the observation that we have given there, when I will click here on fetch in process observation, so if the specification has been done for this RPO, in process quality is done for RPO 007, then it will fetch the exact detail from that in process quality that we have posted. From there, we can fetch the details. So after filling the details, we will post inspection sheet. This is asking me that actual FG weight grams must have a value. I will fill the details like 0.5 will be my FG weight, and for this my COA quantity will be 4,000. And now after filling this detail, if you want to add some remarks, you can add remarks here, like any remarks. It is just for information purpose. And now after filling all the details, we will post the inspection sheet. And after posting this will go into the posted document. From posted document, we can see here the production order COA is here. We will come here and we can see that for this RPO 0004, the posted quality inspection. And now, as we have shown you that the two reports are attached, first one is for observation, and the second one is the our COA report. Here we can see that the our parameter was flute and the observation was okay. Box length was this. This is coming from PDI. This is coming from packing list that we have created for this. And for this, the customer is Cross Jordan. Description of item number, what is the model number, all these detail are coming.
Sorry, again, these two columns on the right of this COA, for what?
Uh, this the packing list one.
Why this vetting list here for quality assurance certificate? You mean I will check it ballot by ballot?
This is it is showing that have this much of quantity in this pallet. So this is showing the quantity per pallet wise. Sometimes customer needs the quantity some pallet wise. That's why we have added this in the report, in the COA report.
Sorry, again, why?
I mean to say, some customer required that how much quantity we received as per how much pallet wise. So this is just a received quantity per pallet wise information it is showing. So it is showing that I have this pallet, and each pallet there is 100 quantity available. So the total we have 220 2,200 quantity, for which we did the lot quantity of COA.
But let's say I have 100 ballots, because actually I have orders that maybe 100 ballots.
Sorry, can you repeat again?
Uh, you bought only 22 ballots for the quality assurance certificate. Sometimes I have orders or batches with 100 ballots.
This is just a when we do FG receiving from the production side or the dispatch side, the total received quantity detail it is showing.
Sorry?
total received quantity, like after doing the corrugation and after doing the converting, there is one more process of FG receiving. So production side, maybe production or dispatch team will do FG receiving from your side. Then how much quantity we received at the FG receiving, and what the quantity in each pallet, how much quantity is loaded in each pallet. So for that, this section is attached here, showing that we have
Shruti,
a lot.
is this necessary to put the number of pallets or not? Okay, well, sometimes we are not يعني we are not mentioning that there is 22 pallets. We are mentioning that the lot is 2,500 or something. This is the COA. Why or this numbers will come from the dispatch department. يعني is there any integration between the dispatch and this one?
No, not any integration. This is just showing the batch quantity or the lot quantity in each pallet.
I know that I got this idea. Who
Yes.
will who will insert this one? يعني pallet number one has 100 pieces. Pallet number two
Yes.
100 pieces. Pallet number three
Yes.
100 pieces. Who will fill this one?
No one feel. This data will automatically come from the dispatch side. Like, let me just
Yes,
show you one
that
page.
that was my question. I asked you, is there any integration between the dispatch and here? You said no.
So, I mean, not a integration. See, let me just show you one page, production order status. Okay. So this is my production order status page, and here let's suppose this is my one RPO. Here the last operation is my FG receiving. So just before the converting, there is total we received 200, like total quantity is this, and in the FG receiving we received 2210 quantity. Okay, in this 2010 quantity, this is received pellet wise. Okay, maybe production team has did this FG receiving process, maybe store team or maybe dispatch team did this. Then this quantity will be loaded in the pellet. So that quantity will be loaded, and how much quantity is loaded in each pallet, that information we are checking in that COA report.
اي نور راح ياخذها بالوداد. راح ياخذها من الديسباتش. انت هاي نمبر اوف بلد سيكا، يعني انت راح تعملي السي او اي للوت كامل. هو لحاله بيجيب انه عدد الطبالي 100 وكذا وزي هيك و20 22. اوكي
Let me
understood.
just show you one more page. There is FG receiving page. Okay, from where the production or the like store or dispatch team will do FG receiving. See, this is my detail, and the same detail is showing there. Like we have this number of pallets, and in each pallet we have 100 quantity in each pallet. So this detail is showing there here.
Okay,
The total
understood.
lot quantity.
I got the idea. Okay, Rima.
Okay.
Okay.
Is this okay? The COA part and in process quality? So next we will see that QC plate and die. QC of plate and die. So for QC of plate and die, we will go here like on quality role center we have two actions that one is all die status and one is all plate status. We will just go on all die status and we will go on some particular die, like this is our list page, and on clicking here we will go on cart page for this die one. Like this we have this list part. We have more than I think 19 dies, and if we want to go on die one we will click here and we'll go on die one, and if we want to go on die two we will click here, then the cart page of die two will open. And for if we want to do the quality of die 2, then we have an action here, that is QA approval. On QA approval, the boolean of QA approved, that is here, we can see this boolean will be marked as true.
Where's the sketch of the die? Approval Ashur. Where's the sketch of the dice?
Sorry, can you
Where's the layout of the die?
layout
So
of
I
the
can
die?
put my QA approval. How I will do this QA approval?
You want the picture or to attach some document? Hello, Ms. Rima.
Yes, Shruti.
I'm not understanding. What do you want to say?
Uh, when I received the die or I input the QA approval, there is a sketch or layout of the die.
Oh, oh, so
What?
you want to attach?
It should be attached so I can do the QA approval, I think. هيك عملنا شو؟ وينه؟ هاتوا sketch.
It is not available here, but it will be available in the item card. Let me just check if it is available here or not.
Status opening.
عنان سألت أحمد قداح.
Status closed. Status opening.
أبو أوس يعطيك العافية، سألت أحمد قداح.
Okay, so you can attach in the item card of this die item. So
Who
this
will
is
do this attach? Sorry, Hira or Shruti, sorry. Who will
who
do
is
this
doing
attach?
currently. Who is doing from your side right now?
Usually by customer service.
Yourself.
Customer service, CRM.
Oh, CRM person is doing. Then the same CRM person will go to the item list, open this die item, and attach the artwork or the any image in that die item.
Can you attach anything to check?
The CRM team will attach in the attach in the PDI from where when you click on this artwork, then they can be able to see the picture 1, picture 2 here.
Okay.
Mr. Age and Ms. Seema, like this, the CRM and the who's responsible for attaching the artwork, like this, that person will attach this, and there are three images option is given here to attach. So I'm attaching only one image for now and putting the description here. So when that you are going to the die item page, and I think it was two number item. So when I go to the artwork detail, so you can check this image, and by checking this image, you can approve this. I mean, go to this die item, and you can approve this die item by production side and or the QA side. Is it okay? Also, there is
Okay, thank you.
okay.
The and the same process is there for plate. We will go on plate, and we can just mark on this QA approval boolean. Let me show you one document that is not QA approved. Like for plate 4, we will mark QA approval. Then approve. It will be approved from QA, and we can see that the boolean is ticked. And for the artwork approval, that the that is attached in PDI, we will go here, and we have an action called artwork, and we can see the images that is attached by the team, and then we can approve the same from here. Is that okay? That all die status and on plate
If I
status are
reject the okay, if I reject the plate or the die, what the document will what will happen for the document?
There is not any document. If you reject this plate or die item, then the person who is doing output from the production side, that person won't be able to post output because the available plate and die item is not available at the time of output. So they will get that this particular die and plate item is rejected from the QC. We need to make it approve or make it in the production side so that the person will be able to make an output. It will just show you there is a information where we have booleans. So from this booleans, you can be able to see that this particular plate item is approved by QC or not, ready for print or not. If this boolean, if you approved it, then this the final boolean is called ready for print. If this boolean is true, then production team will be able to make output of the board and the converting side. But if this boolean is not marked, or if you have rejected the particular plate or die item, then production team won't be able to make an output.
Can you give an example if the QA not approved, what will happen to them?
So
Only the plate will be rejected, but how the order on the production will be? No,
okay, we just check that if I have any production order where the plate is attached.
yes, okay. And the field.
Srima, see, there is one order, and let me
Yes.
just, there is die cut 1 and die cut 2. Okay. So if I reject this item, okay. Okay, and I have one job order. Job order 50. So this is output page, which is used by the production side. Production team will is using this output page. Just check the machine. Just like okay. So this error production team will get that printing plate is not ready or the die item is not ready. So when the item is rejected, then we need to approve the printing plate or the die item. If this machine is related to both printing machine and die cut machine, and both items are associated with this job, then system will not allow to post the output, so it will restrict them. So if I again get and approve those items, the associated printing plate items, then system will allow to make allow them to post the output for the converting side. So if we check this job order, we can able to post the output for corrugation for the board, but we are not able to post the output for the second operation, printing and slaughter and die cut machine. This restriction production team will get. Hello? Hello, Ms.
Okay,
Rima?
okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
Oh.
Is it okay the process why we need to provide the details to the the QA, why we need to do QA approval and production approval? And there is also one more thing in this die item that we need to provide a threshold limit. So this, by providing this threshold limit, system can allow you to make an output by this limit only. And here, the moment when you post output, the used limit will be updated. It will show you that limit is over, but it will not restrict you to post the output. But it will give you the message that the limit is over. Okay.
But why is this related to quality or should be related to the sales guy or production? Not
No.
sales guy, the production or هذا استخدم
The
or the financial department also.
the putting threshold limit,
Sorry?
which you are saying that is related to quality production of finance department to putting
This,
threshold limit.
yes, the limit. If you exceed the limit,
Yes.
it will give us for whom you will give the message only for the quality
Production team. No, production team. Production team.
production team.
If
Okay.
yeah, production team. Like we see, if the print die or print item print stereo is not ready or the rejected, then it will restrict the production team to make the output. Just like if threshold is not there, then same
اذا انت
way
مش عامله
system will
ابروف على
restrict.
التصميم مش حيقدر بتاع سوري ام ترانزليتنج تو انجينير ريما. اذا انت مش
Okay.
عامله ابروف بتاع التصميم كتصميم او في شيء هيبين هون انه مش موجود فما يقدر يعمل انه انتج 4000 5000. اوكي كيب جوينج شروتي.
Okay. When you put the threshold limit, and the moment when we just click on post, the production team will post the output. Here, the used number of limits will got updated automatically. Okay. And if the limit got override, I mean, if the limit is here given as 50,000, but we used 60,000, so at the time of posting output, system will says that your limit is over, but it will not restrict you to make an output. It will allow you to make an output, but the restriction, I mean, the message will be there that you are posting an output which is the over riding the limit. Okay, so
اوكي
but okay, okay. So, is this clear? Can we move to the another topic, or is there anything which you want? Is there any doubt related to die or plate status approval?
you have anything ريما؟ No, no, okay. Proceed.
Okay.
Okay, so I think we have covered in process QC, production COA, and QC plate and die, and vendor. Our next topic is vendor rating. I'm again going back to role central. And for vendor rating, we have created an action, or we have, like, here you can see we have an action called vendor rating list. While we when opening the page, we can just 1 minute. Yeah. So let me go back to quality role center. So we are on the same role center. For vendor rating, we have an action here called vendor rating list. When we will go here on vendor rating. Basically, vendor rating we do to evaluate the and monitor the performance and quality of our vendor. So for quality, we have different parameters like how the customer care is done, for how many times the price has been changed, what is the quality of the product of that vendor, what is the after sales service of that vendor, and all these parameter. Through all these parameter, we can evaluate the performance, and we can through all these parameters we can rate the vendor. So we as we can see that this is the page of vendor rating. So for vendor rating, first we will go here on edit list. we can see that there is a date filter, uh, start date and end date filter. We can apply year wise filter, or month wise filter, or quarter filter, 6 month filter. So here we are having only data for Feb month. So I will apply like filter from 1st February to 28th February. I want to see the rating of this all rating of all vendor for this period for Feb month. So after putting the start date and end date, I will update vendor rating. Then on updating, it will update the vendor rating and all the parameters has been filled. And vendor, you can see that for vendor 1, the rating is 5. For vendor 2, rating is 4. For vendor 4, the rating has not been done that because no transaction has been done for vendor 4, and for vendor 7 the rating is 5, and again for vendor 00129 and for vendor 00130 nothing, no transaction has been done, so the value is 0, no rating has been done. So for vendor rating we have some setups, like we have some setup, like if the vendor marks is between 1 to 60, the rating will be 1. If the vendor marks is 61 to 70, the rating will be 2. If it is between 71 to 80, the rating will be 3. If it is between 81 to 90, the rating will be 4. And like this, the if the rating is 91 to 100, we will give this vendor rating as 5. So we can see that here we for vendor 1 we have got the rating 5. That means the vendor 1 has got the rating between 91 to 100. And for vendor 2, the rating is 4. That means for vendor 2, the marks is between 80 to 90, just like defined here. If so, we can also see the average marks. Like for vendor 1, we can see the average mark is 94, and for vendor 2, the average mark is 83. That's why for vendor 2, we have rating as 4, and for vendor 1, we have rating as 5. We can also see the same rating on vendor card. Like if I will go on vendor card, let me go. Sorry. I'll go on vendor list card for vendor 1. We can also see, just a second. So we can see here on other details tab, we have an field called vendor rating. And for vendor 1, the rating is 5. Again, when I will go on vendor 2, we can see that the rating is 4. So for rating the vendor, we have parameters. Like we can see that on new section, we have different parameters. Like first is customer care, price, quality of the product, lead time, after sales service, availability availability of the product, legal case won, quality of the service, and what is the responsiveness and what is the taste. I will explain all these parameters one by one and how the rating has been done for vendors. So, like first for customer care, the rating is has been done on the basis of on the basis of customer complaint. Just like we have seen that we have let me show you that we have complaint and feedback list here. So just like customer complaint, we have an provision for vendor complaint list also, just like complaint customer complaint list. The this is all the same, also the same. Like we do the complaint, we do register the complaint for vendor, all the vendors, just like the we have shown you the customer complaint. So first the customer care is done on the basis of vendor complaint list, means ki if the sure. So it will update on the basis of the date of complaint in which the complaint has been registered and the date of resolution. If the difference is, let me show you here. If the we will go here on new and we can see that we have customer care here and we have updated here like number of day of for response. If the customer is responding between the 0 to 10 days, then he will get 100 marks. If the customer is responding between 11 to 30 days, then he will get 50 marks. And when the customer is responding between 30 to 100 days, then it will get 30 marks. So, and it will be calculated on the basis of the day in which we are registering the complaint and the date in which it is getting resolved. The difference between that will for that we will calculate the customer care. Our next parameter is price. So for price, I have for price we will see like if we are creating for example, if we are creating purchase order and the unit price is 3, and while doing invoice we are changing the unit price to 5, then the number of changes on that price is between 0 to 1, then the marks is 100. Means the price of purchase order and purchase invoice has been changed for one times, then the vendor will get 100 marks. If the instance is more than one time, like the price they are changing between purchase order to purchase invoice, and the 2 to 5 times, then he will get 50 marks. If the he's changing between 5 to 10 times, then he will get 30 marks. For price, this will be the criteria. And next is the quality of the product. Quality of the product will be defined on the basis of rejection instance. Okay, it will be on the basis of GRN. Let me go on one GRN and show you. Change the role center. So like on receiving posted document for other document, when we will go
عنان
on
انت
this
معنا
to
بس عشان بدي اسالك كم سؤال.
هاي عز قول. الو
احكي لك سالت احمد قدح اذا شيكوا على هاي الشغله ولا لا.
احمد مش قادر اوصل له العرس، برن عليه ما بي.
ليش وينه احمد؟ شو توصل؟
فوق في
طيب
المكتب يعني، برن عليه بقول لك ما بي.
هسه انا بتواصل معه خلص. اوكي keep going شروتي. ثانك يو.
yes, so the quality of the product will be decided on the number of rejection instance that is there on GRN. We can see that on GRN we have marked rejected VR and unmarked rejected VR. If we are marking the rejected VR, then on the basis of this, if we are marking this for that for example, for vendor 00129, if we are marking this
Sorry,
boolean,
what is the VR? VR. Sorry, Shruti. What is the VR?
vendor rating, that is mark rejected vendor rating.
If اه
إذا مرت أخذ علامة ريجكشن.
اوكي اوكي.
Okay, so on the basis of this, if the number of instance for like a change in prices, like I have told you that, sorry, uh, for the quality of product, if the it is marked for this vendor, this boolean has been marked for more than 3 times, then it will be get rating of 50. If it is between 0 to 3, then it will get rating of 100, and if it is between 5 to 10, then it will get rating of 30. Like this rating has been done. And for lead time, this will be this will be calculated on the basis of delay in delivery, like date of actual receipt date, and requested delivery date. If the difference is more than 3 days, then it will get 50 rating, and if the difference is more than of 5 to 10 days, then it will get 30 rating. If the difference is of 3 days, then it will get 100 marks. Like date of actual receipt date and what is my delivery date of the product, that the same will be there in the GRN. The next parameter will be our after sales service. After sales service, if we are means ki means we have vendor complaint, like let me go. Quality department. Yes. After sales service will also depend on number of vendor complaint list that is still open. Means that we have taken some product and we have created the vendor complaint, but the vendor is not replying. The issue is still not resolved. The complaint is still open. Means that we have can apply the filter document status, and we can see how much case is open. For vendor 7, the number of open cases is 4, and for vendor 1, the number of open cases is 2. So on the basis of this, the parameter after sales service will be defined. Same is for availability of the product. This will be on the basis of if the vendor is able to supply the material, or he is unable to supply the material, or the document is getting short closed due to unavailability of the material from the vendor side. On that basis, the this parameter will be marked. Legal case won, again we have as we have seen that we have an action here, like for legal case and compensation. From here we can see that we have legal case won field. If this is marked, like for this vendor complaint the legal case has been won, then on the basis of that the legal case won parameter will be defined. For quality of the service, if for example on vendor card we have an option called service vendor. If that boolean is ticked, then and the number of complaints are registered for that vendor on the basis of, and if that complaint is still open, on basis of that we we are evaluating the quality of service. Responsiveness, same, the parameter will be defined here. We can take any minimum to maximum value according to us, and the marks we can give according to our requirement. Here I have given, if the minimum value is between 0 to 0, then marks will be 100. If it is between 1 to 100, the marks will be 50. And if the vendor is responding to the complaint, like if the vendor has been uh, reply to our queries and our issue has been resolved, then this will be marked. And the same is for taste. This is for just for food item. Like we have one parameter on the receiving.
We can put it for the starch.
Yeah, this is for food item, like canteen item QA.
I will
Okay,
test it.
canteen item. Yeah. Selected item is not food item. This will be only selected if the item is food item. So this parameter will be on the basis of the rating from the GRN. So according to this, the on quality of the product, vendor 2 has got 100. On lead time means the it has changed price between 2 to 3 times. That's why it has got 40. And for availability of the product, you got 100, and the total is average mark is 83 on the basis of all that parameters. So that's why this vendor has got the rating 4, and for vendor 1 we have got the rating 5. The This is all for vendor rating. Is that okay?
Yes,
This is
yes,
just,
okay, okay.
yeah, this is just for marking and rating of the vendor, how the rating has been done for vendor. And on the basis of all that parameter, the rating is done. Okay, so I think we have covered all the topics for today. That is vendor rating, QC plate and die, in process QC, production COA, and yesterday topic was specification code, specification sheet, relabeling, incoming quality for paper, and incoming quality for other item. And all this topic are clear, or you are having any doubt in all this topic, so I can explain this again. Okay.
Yes, sorry, Shruti, if we have rejected goods, تابعنا بالفندور.
Can you, Mr. Sima, can you repeat again?
Yes, if we have returned goods, if the client returned goods for me, what is this issue in the system here?
Your voice is not clear. What do you want to say? 10 goods.
Sorry?
Your voice is
خليني
not
خليني
clear.
انا اوضح لك شو اللي بدك اياه اسمحوا لي. Her question,
Rabbi.
her question, when when a good was returned from any of the customers, what notification the QA department will receive, so they can know there is a waiting returned good in the queue? What kind of notification they receive? Or
Okay,
do they
okay.
have, or do they have a queue in their dashboard for
So
returned
there is
goods?
an inspection list rework. Okay, so if we receive
No,
any,
no, it is not. It is not carry work. It is. This is from the warehouse, they will receive a returned goods from the client. He will
Yes.
notify me by, usually they notify me by a report. And here in the system, where is the returned goods? Like complaints. There is we have complaints from the clients, and also I have returned goods from the clients. Where's the item?
Uh, okay. So for that, there is a return reclass. Let me just 1 second now. Okay, so I'm doing one sales return. So based on the sales return, we can do the reclass.
Receipt, receipt, receipt.
I think it is available. It is not showing here. Maybe available in the dispatch schedule. Did we just check in the another role profile? Maybe I think available in store. Let me check.
Purchase and store. Purchase and store.
Okay, so it is available in the dispatch role profile. Ms. Rima, hello. Hello. Mr. Raj?
Sure, yes. Yes.
Okay, the action from where we can do the reclass, actually it is available. First, we need to do sales return order, that is the process of receiving the goods from the customer side, and the posted document is available in the dispatch role profile. So dispatch person or the store person will do the sales credit memo, or maybe if finance team is doing the sales credit memo, sales return order, then they can be able to post that. From this document, in this return receipt document, when I open this, there is action called in the line. This is reclass. When we click on
Can you
reclass,
please go? Can you please go back how you get to here?
from the posted document. Okay. So when I go to the click on the posted document, there is a action button called return receipt. This in this action button we can see there is a list of documents from where the receipt we have received the goods from the customer side. This is a document or a record. Okay, when I click on this, these are my lists. Or if I open any of the document, when I click on this number, this document get opened up. Okay, and from the selecting that, if I say that my FG number 9 of quantity 10, the return reason code is like damage or color issue, like something else, return reason code will be there. By selecting this line, when I click on reclass, this is my a page from where I can put that the quantity which we received from the customer side, in like 100 quantity we received from the customer side. In this source quantity, I can further divide that how much quantity is a good quantity, how much is a rework, and how much is my scrap quantity. So if I say some of the quantity which is actually damaged, we want to work in that item, and so if I put it in as rework quantity, then again it will show in my inspection quality rework. Like if I say 50 here, and 50 and 40 is my rework, and 10 is my scrap. If I post here, okay. So return reason declare batch is available. You need to put it. Posted when I click on open rework order. Now the system has created a new firm plan through which we can do like production again for that rework quantity. Also we can see the ledger from here. If we open that, we can see there is one we have received. The document type is showing as return receipt. 100 quantities we received from the customer, from where 40 is given as my rework quantity, and 10 is my scrap quantity. So 10 quantity will be posted as negative, and another 40 quantity is posted as again negative, which will be calculated as a rework quantity. So when I go, We will attach that posted sales return page in the quality role profile. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So actually that sales return is done from the store side or from the dispatch side. That's why it is not available here. So we will attach that page return receipt. Return receipt. Return receipt. Okay. So here when I open this by clicking on the reclass, here we can define that which item I have posted as good quantity, posted as rework quantity, or posted as scrap quantity. And there is system has created the rework order, this one. Based on that, we can do a rework process, and we can which means that the rework board or the rework item will go to the production process further, and the quality will be again like in process quality will be again further will be happen to that job order. Is it okay, or should I explain you again?
يا عز والشباب وينكم؟
موجودين يا باوس.
ماشي، طب رد عليها، بتسألك بتقول لك اوكي ولا اشرح كمان مرة؟
ما حكت زيك يعني، احنا ما بنفهمش انجليزي يا باوس، مالك يعني، ما حكت زيك.
موجودين هندسة.
اوكي شروتي، اوكي keep going.
Okay. This I will check from my end. This one. So basically, the process is we need to when we receive the material. This is my receiving document. We received from this customer. Customer three sell to customer number is my three, which is my Gulf International Packaging Company. I mean the customer. And from this customer, we received my FG item is 9, and we received the 100 quantity from that customer. And here is a return reason code. So from this document, when I click on reclass, from here we can post that how much is my good quantity, how much is rework, and how much is scrap. Good quantity will be available in the my FG location, and scrap quantity will be posted as negative adjustment, and rework will be system will create a new firm plan which is created automatically by the system, from where we can do the rework process, like we will proceed that item for the production part. Okay, so for that, if let me just open, is showing here, but is not applicable here. Okay, so it will, so okay, I was checking on the posted side, that's why it is not showing. It will be available here. From here, you can again check that the quantity for the like QA quantity is pending from this my which we received from the customer side. And here you can put the remark. Again, here you can put my good quantity or bad quantity. Let me just 1 second. This is off. And there is another document. This one is not this document. Here, the item will be applicable, but here the item, I need to check why the item is not showing here. Let me just check from where I can get the item. 1 second, we are checking.
We are not hearing you, Shruti. Your mic is mute. You know that, right?
Yes, I'm checking this item line. I'm just checking why this is not coming.
Okay, okay.
जाके नंबर कर दो इसमें, पैटर्न का नहीं कर सकते। Mr. Raj. Hello, Miss Rima.
Yes, yes, please.
Okay. So actually this there was issue with the unit of measure code with the board line. Actually, the BOM of this FG item, we are considering this FG item unit of measure is pieces, but the BOM item of this FG we are considering as number. That's why we are getting some issue in the creation of the data, but we have changed that, and here it is showing. So I was showing you the process of how when the customer sent us the I mean the damaged product or the return any FG item from the customer side, then how the quality team will get the knowledge of it. First, the if production team, sorry, not production, maybe store team or dispatch team or maybe finance team will post sales return order. Okay, which is a return document through by posting the sales return document, that list will be available in the posted return receipt. So here when the team will post, this will be available in this list. When I open this sales return posted return receipt, we can select this reclass button, and when we select here you can see the reference document number showing the line number of this FG, and here it is showing which item is reclassed, the description, if there is any variant code then it will be updated, unit of measure code, and showing the source quantity which is returned from the customer side. Then we have good quantity, rework quantity, and scrap quantity, which we need to put it at the time of checking the returned quantity by the quality team. So if the quality team will check it physically, and after checking it physically, quality team will put this quantity is is considered as good, this considered as rework, and this considered as scrap. If considered as good, then it will be visible in my FG location, and if it is a scrap then it will be posted as negative adjustment, and if it is a rework quantity then system will create a new job order. Like this system has created rework order here. This is my farm plan, and this farm plan will be applicable from the production side. Production team will select that which operation we need to check it, and when we copy this production job order and open that production job order from the production role profile, not from the quality role profile. Okay, but I am opening from here. Now you can see this is created by the system. After that, we need to select the manual reclass and put the rework reason. And here we need to put from which routing we need to do production again. If it is not, it need to be reworked. Then from which operation we need to do reworking process. We need to select the operation, and we need to select the BOM material if it is required. Then we need to select the BOM line required not to be updated in this BOM. I mean this here in this line. We need to work only the FG line. So here I have marked like code line not required. And then we just need to click on refresh production order. When we click on refresh production order, system will update this line. Earlier we were showing that this line was not showing due to this missing details. When I put it this missing details and when I click on refresh, this line got updated. And now by taking this job order, we again need to do production, and then we again need to do output, and based on the output
Miss Rima or the quality team will do in process quality again. Is it okay the return reclass process, Miss Rima?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, so that process is including all the departments, not only the quality departments, including the production department and dispatch department. If the return document is posted from dispatch team, then it will include dispatch team also. Or if it is posted by finance or store team, then it will include that team department also. Okay.
What was the last thing that you said, please, again, Shruti?
I said that the process of taking good or FG material from the customer side and to do the quality of that received material from the customer side is including quality work also, including production work also, or if the document is return document is received created by the dispatch team or by the store team or by the finance team, then it will include those departments also.
اوكي اوكي أوكي. بقول لك انه حتى لما يكون في مرتجع، يعني الريسيفد جود راح تمر على الكواليتي، الديسباتش راح تمر عليك ايش اللي اسف مش ديسباتش، الريتين يا بعملها يا فاينل سيل ديسباتش وبرجع لك بهذا. ايش هي؟ لا في Is there any list for return goods or inspection list work rework?
Yeah, return reclass. We have return reclass.
class.
Sales return reclass.
لا تعمل سيرش بس.
Oh, this is a
Sales return reclass.
posted. This one. This list. This is a return receipt. So we need to open this one. And under that, this is the my reclass page.
Please back. This is from where?
For from this posted return receipt, when I open this document,
شايف بتشوف طوال هاي من وين جبتها؟ انا بسيرش يعني مش اني انا في مكان ما يعني تجيني مسج انه انا هاي عندي الكتاب، انا هون هاي مش فاهمه.
يعني شنو I want to question that. I'm from the quality department. I'm doing my job. Where's the notification that I have received a return goods?
okay.
Or someone has to mention me that
صار اعلامي.
you got my ID or not.
Yeah, I got. I think that list. There is not specific list from the sales return document. We only check. Let me check if. There is no any specific list. We have this list only. Posted sales return. We have this list, Miss Rima, posted return receipt.
Okay.
Can you add it here or something?
Okay, we can add like this list, this button list, reclass button. Let me check if we can able to attach this certain reclass page in the quality role or not. I will inform you if I will able to add this.
Okay, Anani, please, can you add this one to your note? Thank you.
بخصوص ايش؟ بخصوص ايش؟ بخصوص البضاعة مرتجعة يعني؟
انه ما في له مكان، يعني هو لازم انا اقعد اعمل عليه سيرش.
أنا مسجلها، إحنا حكينا فيها من أول. وهي من ضمن الشغلات حنناقشها معهم بكرة، بس في شغلات لازم تكون واضحة. لأنه ملاحظة كانت عن امبارح، وفي كمان هاي الملاحظة اليوم.
اوكي ثانك يو عنان.
يلا ماشي.
يس شروطي. or Hira.
Okay,
Fatima.
any another question, Miss Rima, or message related
No,
to quality?
For me, no, thank you. Rima, do you have any other question?
Rima?
Are we done now?
Yes, we have covered the today's
The
topic. We have
agenda.
covered,
Yes.
yeah, the in-process quality for board, for converting, for COA, the customer complaint, and the vendor rating, and how to approve the dice, mold, and cliche from the quality department. And if we don't approve it, then it will impact at the side of output posting from the production side. And also we check that reclass process. If we receive the material from the customer, then how can we reclass? And we have noted that point to add the, if we are able to add the reclass page in the quality row, so that quality department can able to see the list of reclass items.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Shruti.
Okay.
Thank you, Ms. Hira also.
And Ms. Hira.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
لا تحكي هيرا، بس انت فكرتي ما بتحكي.
شروطي
انا فاتح. Sorry, she was talking about you. Sorry.
Okay, can we leave now?
Okay, for me, Anna, thank you. Thank you for your time.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
Yes,
you
please.
to you.
Okay. Hello.
Have a good night. Have a good night. Thank you.
Okay. Okay.